Russian helicopters present the new powerful Ka-62 multi-purpose helicopter. The Ka-62 offers a wide choice of optional equipment and contemporary interior. The helicopter is available in various configurations, such for multiple applications, such as offshore, corporate, VIP, SAR, EMS, law enforcement and others. The Ka-62 spacious cabin, the largest in its class, provides convenient seating for up to 15 passengers. It features reinforced structural elements of the fuselage, low fuel consumption, enough power reserve for any situation, highly reliable engines by French Turbomecan. Main and tail rotor blades are safety for the passengers and ground crew. A crash-worthy fuel system. Duplication of all basic systems. The helicopter's onboard avionics comply with all navigation requirements in force today and tomorrow. Ka-62 open architecture provides for installation of any additional equipment on the helicopter. Requires minimal expenditures for software modernization and installation. Energy increased wheeled landing gear. Protection against bird strikes. Ka-62 is capable to carry up to 2,500 kilograms of external load. Energy attenuating seats for both the crew and the passengers. Ka-62 sets new standards in safety and comfort. It is a powerful solution for a very broad spectrum of flight missions.